Yo! What is up, Alex? Nick the Kai here, Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Today we got another Matco episode. Bill's got the brand new 2S, which is Matco's latest toolbox, so I'm gonna go check it out and give you guys a little tour. What you gotta say, John? Alright, so we got the 2S right here. Got it in flat white.
Yeah, they're kind of big. I think I like it, but
it is a 2-bay, so it's nothing huge. I believe it's probably like 56 inches or something like that. But apparently you could get the hutch on this and it goes a lot taller, so like for those tall guys, works out pretty good. Pretty excited to see what it looks like with the hutch, but he doesn't have that on the truck right now.
It's my Matco too.
So we got these crazy new bits right here for stripped out Torx.
Because I used to just play like, oh, that's cool.
You can see right there, it's completely rounded out. Show him, Dustin.
Yeah, exactly. And now it's like, well,
hey, look, you did something today.
Unless I really need it, then I'll buy it.
That is insane. I wonder if they really work though, if it bolts tight. Pretty rounded though. Alright, so we got the 2S here. Everyone hopped off the truck now. We could have Bill kind of give us a further explanation of what's going down with this. So what's new with this box, Bill? What's the difference between that last tan box we had on here the other day?
This is the latest and the greatest. So this one comes standard with power, where the 4S is an option. So then the 2S it is a standard. Less drawers on this one, but the drawers are bigger. This is a more economical box. That was one of the ways that they were able to save cost on it. Less drawers means less sliders. Less sliders means less cost. It is 1 inch narrower this way, but the depth is still the same. So they did cut a size difference off of it a little bit from left to right. You still have the same quality Matco sliders that you have on the other ones, double sliders, so you put your heavy stuff in here and you don't have to worry about that drawer slagging down on you. And they also gave us aluminum wrapped handles rather than the 4S had the rubber handle, so you get a little bit more of a grippy feel right there, more rigidity. So it's actually a nicer box in my opinion. They also redesigned the hutch, which I should have the hutch on the truck in a couple of weeks. It's actually about 4 inches taller than the 4S, which was nice because the 4S, it was a little too low, and some of the taller guys, they'd have to duck down to look inside the hutch. Where on the 2S, it's actually taller, and it's a beautiful thing. I do have it on order, so it should be here July 1st. And if I still have this box on the truck, I'm going to add it to this one. I also have a red one, and the red hutch will be on that one as well. And you said still, or at 6K, right? For you're
the box
right around
and the
6K.
hutch?
You got it with the hutch and power, and you get the Matco warranty on it, so you can't beat that.
All right. Well, hopefully this one sticks around so we can see the hutch.
Absolutely. If this one doesn't, I'll have the red one in July. We'll have guys take a peek at it with the hutch.
All right. Show you guys some up-close shots of this. Alright guys, so that's kind of it for this episode. Not really too much. You guys saw a lot of similarities like the 4S we saw in the last video, so I don't want to bore you guys too much, but very solid box. Really wish we'll have the hutch, but maybe once he gets the hutch I can show you guys that. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. That's it for this episode, guys. Catch you guys later. Peace!
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up.